What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing belts in a Sony Walkman wm-sxf30. This guide will also be useful for people who have the wm-af59. But without any further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm going to need to glue that piece back on at a later date. But let's continue on with the repair. Firstly, you're going to want to unscrew two screws, one right here and the other one right there. Watch out for the headphone jack. It's connected to the case. You can pop it off kind of like a Lego, but do not pull it from the cables. Pull it from the jack itself. Once you got those, you want to pull up on the unit from the battery compartment, kind of like a book. You don't want to go straight up. Be careful for those buttons. There's the belt. There's two more screws right there that you will need to remove. There's a clip right there on the bottom by the battery compartment that you'll need to pop to release the board. You'll want to take off the tape on all the cables so then you have more slack between the board and the mechanism, so you have enough space to install the belt. I just got the belt. There it is. Now I'm going to look for a replacement belt. I got my replacement belt. You will want to get a paper clip, make it into a hook like so. I'm going to get ready to install the belt. Looks a little tight. I am going to open it up a little more, move the wires out of the way so that I can get inside and see what I'm doing a little better. There we go. I was able to move the yellow and the red and black wires out of the way. I'll have the pattern that you'll need to put the belt in on screen. You'll need that paper clip to finish the belt installation. It's almost impossible without it. There we go. Things are looking pretty good. Make sure everything is moving smoothly. There's no twists in the belt that could be affecting it. Now you want to make sure you move all the wires back into place. You don't need necessarily to put the tape back on, but it's just there to keep the wires neat and in place. I'm going to try to put some of the tape back on, if not all, just because it'll make installation a little easier. You don't need to follow this step if you don't want to. Make sure everything is in the correct place. Once you have done that, you can put the screws back in. Before reinstallation, check to make sure everything is in place, like these switches right here. Make sure they're in line with each other. This headphone jack pops back in there like so. Now that you have the unit installed, test it. And it's working fine, so you can put the last 2 screws in. And there you go. Well, I hope you guys found that guide useful. But until next time, YouTube, thanks for watching.